Chapter 2. True Gift of God. Love nature. Words of wisdom. O God, we thank Thee for the song of bird and hum of bee. O God, we thank Thee for all things fair we hear or see. O God, we thank Thee for fragrant air and cooling breeze, for the beauty of the blooming trees. The Almighty God has given us so many beautiful and charming things, but His most wonderful and true gift is the gift of nature. He gave us the high mountains, tall trees, the sparkling streams, and the vast oceans. He also gave us beautiful flowers, the tasty fruits, the lovely animals, twinkling stars, the shining sun, the beautiful moon, and the colorful birds. God gave us the earth to live on, the air to breathe, and the water to drink. These gifts make our world a wonderful place. Have you ever thought of your duty towards these gifts of nature? It is our duty to look after and preserve these gifts of nature. We have vast and large oceans. Millions of sea creatures and fish live in them. But human beings today are polluting these oceans by throwing tons and tons of refuse into it. This is known as water pollution. Sometimes a huge oil tanker sinks and all the oil spreads on the surface of the ocean. This prevents fish from breathing and they die. Mankind must find out ways and means to check this kind of pollution and keep water of the ocean clean. We often dump our waste papers, tins, bottles, and refuse into the rivers and make it dirty and polluted. In villages, many people wash their clothes on the banks of the rivers and wells. They are not aware of the fact that they are doing something very harmful. Polluted water is not safe for drinking as people get many diseases. It is our moral duty to keep the river water clean and sparkling. Trees are our best friends. They are said to be our green gold because they are as valuable as gold to us. The trees clean our air. They breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. Oxygen is very essential for us. Trees help us in many other ways too. It is very unfortunate that man cuts down so many trees. No doubt, it is necessary to cut down trees to get wood for fuel and furniture. But it is also our duty to plant more trees than we cut. Unfortunately, this does not happen. Dear children, plant as many trees as you can and protect those already planted. Remember, to some extent, our survival depends upon the forests. The forests are the homeland of different kinds of animals. These animals are to be protected too. The beauty of the nature is for all of us to admire. We all admire lovely flowers in a garden, but there are some who pluck flowers from their plants. Dear children, this is a very bad manner. We should not interfere with the nature. Remember that the nature makes man's life worth living. So, we must value nature and its natural wealth. Nature is a great source of beauty and inspiration to us. Nature provides the source of food, shelter, and clothing. If we don't protect it, it takes its own revenge. So, appreciate, care, and protect the nature. Love nature as thyself.